This video will show you how to check in a reservation. Hotelogix lets you check in a reservation. Let us see how. Right-click the reservation you wish to check in. Click Check-in in the context menu that shows up. The check-in card panel opens. It contains the details of the reservation. You may click Print for a physical copy. Note: in case you wish to hide the rate details, click Hide Price. Click Close. The reservation is updated on the front desk, which is indicated by the change in color. Note: the reservation status color can be customized from Admin Console. This brings us to the end of the video on how to check in a reservation.